Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have been just obsessed with swipes lately and mead and paint. And I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And I have a bunch of the dregs of some gold mica powder left over from, gosh no, who knows how long. So I'm going to show you guys this little tiny thin line of mead and paint is enough to cover that entire edge and quite well. And that's how I like to roll when I start. And this time I'm not going to start in any extreme way to do all the edges, but I am going to grab an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula and let some of the paint go down over this side too. And I'm going to put some white in there, but I think I'm going to put some gold in there. I know I'm going to put some turquoise in there. I'm going to put any color I feel like putting in there, honestly. But I've got to have enough paint on my edges so no matter what happens, I have some coverage. So let's just make sure I run my spatula blade right down over the curve. I can always go back if I have to and cover, but usually by the time I'm done with an artwork, I don't have to worry about that too much. So I love that. That's a minimalist painting right there. I should take a picture of that. I really like that. Call me weird. That's okay. I'm pretty weird. I'm from a family of artists. You can't get weirder than that. So I'm going to run my fingers right down the edge because the paint that's rolled over is enough, as you saw, to cover most everything. Yes, I'm OCD. Self-diagnosed. So those edges are done. So I'm going to use whatever, wherever, and that's going to start with some Anita's white metallic and some turquoise and a little bit of blue, Venetian blue. This might not take too long. Who knows what it's going to take. I've got a marble in there. I just want to cover my space and see how the mead and the mica react to each other. And I could leave that. I want a little bit of this mead too. Because I expect that fully to sell like crazy. I like leaving some of the lines behind from when the squeeze bottle first dropped them. And I have a little bit of hot orchid mixed up. And I'm not sure how that's going to react either because it's only with water. I think I'm going to steal some of that. Put it right there. Getting somewhere. Not sure where that somewhere is yet. That could be done in a second. It happens. I think I was better off before. I don't really want to tip anything. kind of want to keep swiping things. I'm really nervous about using any orange because I know black and orange often will make a very greenish hue. So I'm going to wipe off my spatula very well. And I'm going to contemplate whether I'm willing to actually do anything to that or not. I actually really just want to take my my airbrush and have a good time. I like what the gold mica powder did. I'm not unhappy with that a bit. I could use a straw on this. I think I'm going to use some pink in conjunction with that. Yeah, I like that. This could be a mistake. Then again, maybe not. Here's some purple flash from Folk Art. Oh, I'm supposed to be using the mica powder. Okay. That was way more than I expected it to be, but that's okay. You get what you get when you're playing with accidental art. Be nice if they'd stay that way with the flower patterns. Come out. Nope, not sure about that one at all. This is Decor Americana 24 karat gold with some orange in it. That is a little tiny piece of acetate stuck to a skewer. Artistic license, that's what's going on here. I'm just having a good time composing on the fly. This has got to have something happen to it. That's cool. I like that. I'll be doing that again. I wonder what will happen with less. Not more. I should leave that. fine. Be that way. Which just makes me want to add some more dots. And a little bit more gold, because I've got it to use, you know. That's not too bad, I don't mind that. I miss my squeeze bottle though. Very carefully. I'm not sure about this right here. So I'll give it a little bit of a... No, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Not much makes sense right here, right now. I really, really, really liked how that turned out. So I'm going to do it again. When that timer goes off, I'm going to have to remember to tell you stuff. I want some purple. Just kind of doing whatever comes to mind at that moment. I call it intuitive art. And hopefully it qualifies for that one when I'm done. Kind of want some more white. But I'm not sure if it should be the maiden. Or the Anitas. Where is... There we go. Let's give it a try. License to play. Where is the Anitas? Come on, out you come. I am having a ball experimenting, I gotta tell you what. I'm so glad you guys are here. Thank you for being here. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If you're brand new, please be welcomed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Did I say that already? I probably did. That's pretty cool. I like those black flowers. That's very cool. I'm wondering what I should do over there, if anything. And I'm thinking that blue would make me happy. Because there's some down here, and if I go over there, then it'll draw the eye that way. Yes! Hey! I gotta like that. And I could certainly add another color there, but I don't think I need to. I think I'm just about done. I think the orange is the only thing that's bothering me. Whoops. Not bothering me so much anymore. I gotta put just ever such a slight amount of pressure. I don't know if there's a line of demarcation where I'm supposed to know that I'm supposed to stop, but probably when the timer goes off in no seconds. I do sell my artwork, and my email address is the way to contact me in that regard. It's right under the link tree, right under the video. And you can find over 1,900 videos organized by playlist, on all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel, organized into hundreds and topic and genre. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments and all the wonderful donations that help keep me painting all this time. I have no idea what this is other than it gives me the feeling of flowers, and I like everything about it, and it was just me giving permission to me. And thank you for joining me and staying till the end. I really appreciate the thumbs up. If you're willing to give me one, it helps my standing on YouTube. Also, if you're interested in helping more, if you're interested in helping produce videos, making a donation through PayPal or Patreon will get you automatically entered into the monthly drawing if your email is up to date and you're ready to send me a phone number. You can find PayPal and Patreon icons on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner, and also on the link tree. Do I want something else? I'm drawn to put something up there, but you know what? I think it's best that I leave it alone. And I want to tell you the Linktree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and several Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a good place for students. Yeah, this is intense. There's a lot going on in here. And it was just fun to play. I really like this. And I really love you guys too. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that you make, and you leave me keep my morale boosted. Well, I can't seem to get the views other people get. I still have fun. So on the Amazon link under the link tree, if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. If you shop anything Amazon, you can shop from my link, and it eventually will help me purchase art supplies. I have 2 books there I've written, Volume 1 and Volume 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Also, what else I would love to get a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind, and when you leave comments, you help me out. When you share, you help me more. When you watch longer, it's a bigger assistance. And if you watch when the notifications come out, that's really helpful. So my paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. Underneath, when you click show more, my community board will have tomorrow's video, and so will Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, that Facebook group that you can find the link to. I have, I told you about the email address, is underneath the link tree when you click show more, and I have Teespring clothing, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and all kinds of other stuff, as well as Fine Art America and Pixels.com. You can, anything that you might ever want to see there, just ask me and I will be sure to add it. If I can, I will. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, that was a ball. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me. You inspire the heck out of me. I'll see you on. Bye for now. Priscilla out.